So Bobby, we know there are other drywall providers in the valley, and we have been working together a long time. We'd like to continue this partnership into the foreseeable future. Do you mind just sharing why Torrent? Why have we been partners for so long? What sets Torrent apart in your own words?
Well, I've already told you about the reliability.
Yeah.
So, and the fact that you guys are willing to, come back to us and say, hey, I've got an opening. Can you accommodate?
Yeah.
Time is everything in this business. But I think personally, because I care so much about all of the water resources here in Arizona, the fact that the separator systems are really doing their job, they're very efficient and they take care of those sediments. And then you go from that first infiltration and then you get into the main dry well. And that is a deep water injection into our groundwater table. And just getting the water cleaned and actually all the way back down to our aquifers, that is so important, because every drop that falls on the land, you don't want it drying up and going back into the atmosphere. We need to put it back into the ground here in Arizona. And the Maxwell systems are really, really efficient at that.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more. And the dual chamber plus system, which is what you're talking about, that first chamber gives the opportunity for the sediment to fall out, the oil to be absorbed out of the water and then filtered into the dry well.
Yeah.
And then we are able to infiltrate it, not quite all the way into the aquifer, but we try to leave about 10 feet
Yeah.
to allow some natural filtration to occur.
Yeah.
But you hear it all the time, water in Arizona is a pretty hot commodity.
Oh, yes.
So it is very cool to be able to contribute to the future generations' water supply here in the desert.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's being good stewards.
I do too. Yeah. We have a little saying that one of our goals is to preserve one of our most precious resources.